The minimum distance an electrical outlet must be from a natural gas service entrance is 18 inches. This requirement is in place to prevent potential hazards arising from electrical arcing or sparks igniting natural gas. Electrical outlets, even when properly installed, can generate small arcs when a plug is inserted or removed. In an environment where natural gas is present, such an arc could trigger an explosion or fire. Ensuring sufficient separation between the electrical outlet and the gas service entrance minimizes the risk of ignition. The 18-inch distance serves as a safety buffer, allowing for adequate dispersion of any gas leaks before they reach a concentration high enough to be ignited by an electrical spark. This regulation is typically enforced by local and national electrical codes, as well as gas utility companies. Adhering to these codes is crucial for the safety of the occupants and the integrity of the building. Factors influencing the specific requirements can include the type of gas service entrance, the type of electrical outlet, and local building codes. Always consult local building codes and regulations, and it is always a good idea to contact a qualified electrician or gas technician for installations or modifications near gas lines. Proper planning and execution are essential to ensure the safety of all involved and to prevent potential hazards. Always ensure that all electrical and gas installations are performed by licensed professionals who are familiar with the applicable codes and regulations. Ignoring these regulations can lead to dangerous situations and potential property damage or personal injury. Regular inspections of electrical and gas systems are also recommended to ensure that they are in good working order and that all safety measures are in place. If any gas leaks or electrical problems are suspected, immediate action should be taken to address the issue. This includes contacting the appropriate authorities or qualified professionals to investigate and resolve the problem. Prevention is always better than cure when it comes to gas and electrical safety. Firstly, always consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, and any applicable local codes for specific requirements and installation. Secondly, ensure the electrical outlet is installed by a qualified electrician and the gas service entrance is installed by a qualified gas technician. Thirdly, consider the layout of the building and the location of other potential ignition sources when determining the placement of electrical outlets near gas lines. Fourthly, regularly inspect the electrical outlet and the gas service entrance for any signs of damage or wear. Fifthly, if any gas leaks are suspected, evacuate the area immediately and contact the gas company or fire department. Sixthly, install gas detectors and carbon monoxide detectors in the building to provide early warning of any gas leaks or carbon monoxide buildup. Seventhly, educate occupants about the dangers of natural gas and electricity and how to respond to potential hazards. Eighthly, maintain a clear and unobstructed path to the gas service entrance for easy access in case of an emergency. Ninthly, use explosion-proof electrical outlets and fixtures in areas where there is a high risk of gas leaks or other flammable materials. Tenthly, properly ground all electrical equipment to prevent electrical shocks and reduce the risk of electrical arcing. Remember, electrical and gas safety is a shared responsibility. By following these guidelines and taking precautions, you can help create a safer environment for yourself and others.